What if the society is doing wrong? Even when majority is doing wrong, then who stands against it? When we see our history, society is not always right. There were times when discrimination was normal. People are expected to stay silent without questioning, and some basic rights were also denied. Then something powerful came, that is the Constitution. Constitution is not a book of laws, but a voice that protects your rights. There is one idea, that is the constitutional morality. It protects your rights, even no one supports you. Constitutional morality is nothing but following the constitutional values and the spirit of the Constitution, such as equality, liberty, justice, and rule of law. When it is difficult to follow and the society has unpopular opinion about to follow. In 2018, the Supreme Court struck down Section 377 of IPC and decriminalized homosexuality, and Supreme Court upheld constitutional morality over social morality. And in another case, Joseph Shine versus Union of India, in that case Supreme Court struck down Section 497 of IPC and declared women are not property. In that case, Supreme Court given importance to equality and dignity over patriarchal social norms. In another case, Common Cause versus Union of India, the Supreme Court recognized something deeply, that is, right to die with dignity is a fundamental right. Tell me one thing, is life about only living or living with dignity? Here the constitutional morality chosen dignity over social norms. Here, should we follow society blindly or should we follow constitutional values? So the constitutional morality protects our rights, even when customs, traditions go against our rights. Then constitution and constitutional morality stands for us. Thank you.